As with any smart technician out there, we're going to use every tool that we have at our disposal. So what we have here is we used the 892BT and came up with what the code was stored and reading, and that we had that P0302, which is a number 2 cylinder misfire. So then we also had a test where we took our GTC 505, which is a secondary ignition testing tool, and we saw some correlation between these two. As you can see from these two screenshots here, the number 2 cylinder had a significant higher secondary voltage in kilovolts than the other 3 cylinders. And what you're looking for is some commonality here. We had 3 cylinders reading one and one reading way out of the other. And that cylinder also is what the scan tool told us that a misfire was happening on. This started to lead us in a direction.